Make the most out of breakfast, lunch, or dinner with Holstein Housewares Omelette Maker. Cook 2 fluffy omelets in just a few minutes by simply pouring in the mixture. Adding your favorite toppings and delicious omelets will be ready to enjoy shortly after. Recipe options are endless, from omelets and frittatas to pizza pockets and apple turnovers. These alternatives are a quick and easy way of getting kids and adults to eat a hearty and healthier meal on the go before or after school. Work. Let's start the morning with a full tummy to fuel you with energy for the rest of a busy day. The Holstein Housewares Omelette Maker has a PFOA-free non-stick coating for easy cleanup and a contemporary design featuring stainless steel that will add a modern touch to any kitchen. Here are the key features of Holstein Housewares non-stick omelette and frittata maker. Many delicious choices, makes 2 fluffy omelets in just minutes. And this handy maker isn't just for omelets. You can make frittatas, pizza pockets, apple turnovers, and so much more. You can make 2 customized individual portions at a time to satisfy everyone's breakfast, lunch, or dinner requests. Quick and easy, cooking and cleaning are easy with the non-stick coated cooking surfaces. No more flipping mishaps or dirty fry pans. Just insert your ingredients, close the lid, and go. You'll be ready to start cooking at the optimal temperature with the preheated, ready-to-cook indicator light, ensuring a reliable cooking temperature every time. Great addition to your kitchen. Space-saving compact design takes up less of a footprint on your countertop. The sleek, colorful, and stainless steel finish adds a lovely pop of color to your kitchen decor. Who we are, Holstein Housewares strives to make cooking and entertaining easy by simplifying life in the kitchen. We develop a special blend of products so you can create endless recipes for all types of lifestyles, from healthy meals to guilty pleasures. Warranty. Holstein Housewares offers a 1-year limited warranty to purchase worry-free. The user manual is included in the packaging with easy instructions on how to use the product.